2020 Subaru Impreza Facelift, new looks, added kit. Subaru has now given its Impreza a much more noticeable makeover. The mid-cycle refresh for Subaru's compact car, the 2020 Impreza will go on sale later this year in Japan with other markets soon to follow. Outside, the most noticeable change to the Impreza is its new front bumper featuring more horizontal elements. Nestled in them are LED front fog lights with a large chrome highlight. Over the back, the taillights now have brighter elements. New wheel designs cap off the changes. Inside, the 2020 Impreza gets revised gauges, new silver trims, replacing the high-gloss carbon fiber ones, memory seat function for the driver, and an automatic dipping side view mirror. For the 2020 update, Subaru's heavily emphasizing safety. With that, the Impreza gets standard adaptive high beams, a front view monitor, and an upgraded version of Subaru's EyeSight system called EyeSight Touring Assist, which adds lane tracing, automatic steering support. Mechanically, the 2020 Impreza remains powered by the direct-injected FP20 engine with 154 horsepower and 196 Nm of torque mated to a CVT transmission. Active torque vectoring is now standard though.